Greetings. Yes, I'm charged, happy, cheerful. I have no words. Why? Because as soon as I saw Gurmeet ji entering this beautiful, virtual, divine room, I was touched. He sent blessings. He says, "Show me your smiling face every day." And that is what is the game of life.
Yes,
So much to
exactly.
explore with
Yes,
love and surrender, and all the wisdom will flow through
yes.
Gurmeet Singh, sir. I'm looking forward to learning. Thank you so much, sir.
शुक्रिया शुक्राना बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Okay, today let's start with a small story of Buddha. A rich man wanted to have darshana of Buddha, a glimpse of Buddha. Why I used the word darshana? Because there is no alternative word for this in any language. In Hindi, it's darshan, and in Gurumukhi also it is darshan. So that rich man thought, what should he bring to uh, take for Buddha, so that he could, जिसे हम कहते हैं ना कि वो कुछ चढ़ावा चढ़ा सके, कुछ भेंट दे सके.
Guru Dakshina,
हाँ, गुरु दक्षिण.
token of love, gift,
Yes, yes.
reverence.
So he took a packet of diamonds. जब वो अपना घर छोड़ने लगा तो ही थॉट कि बुद्धा पॉसिबल है कि बुद्धा विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट डायमंड्स. तो उसने एक फ्लावर का बुके ले लिया, फ्लावर्स ले लिए बहुत सारे दूसरे हाथ में, एंड ही रीच टू बुद्धा's दरबार एंड वेंट इनसाइड. उसने बुद्धा को प्रणाम किया और सेज, these diamonds I have brought for you. Buddha said, drop it. I don't want to have this. Drop it. Then he tried to give him the flowers. He offered flowers. Buddha said again, drop it. Drop this bunch of flowers. He dropped both the things. Then that rich man folded his hands and wanted to do the namaskar by bowing head. Buddha said, drop this. The king said, the rich man said, I could not understand, Buddha. I offered you diamonds. I offered you flowers. Then I offered you with my sincere namaskar to you, and you said, drop all of these. What should I offer you then? Please tell me. बुद्धा थोड़ी देर तक देखते रहे और फिर स्माइल करते हैं और उसको कहते हैं, इफ यू वांट टू गिव मी समथिंग, गिव मी योर हेड. उसको समझ में नहीं आया कि बुद्धा जो है वो एक नॉन वायलेंट पर्सन है, एंड ही इज डिमांडिंग माय हेड. बुद्धा सेड, if you want to offer me something, I am asking for your head, that is your mind. Surrender me your mind so that I could make your life beautiful. I don't need your diamonds, your horses, your comforts, your flowers. और तुम्हारा ये हैंड फोल्डिंग, नमस्कार करना, सिर झुकाना, आई डोंट वांट बॉडी टू बी बोट डाउन, आई वांट योर माइंड, सरेंडर मी, I will make your life beautiful. So, what is this surrendering of the head? Hmm? I remember 360 or 70 years back, Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj asked his Sikhs to ask for 5 heads when he established the Khalsa Panth. गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी ने कहा मुझे 5 शीश चाहिए। तो जो संगत बैठी थी, लोग बैठे थे, उन्होंने कहा गुरु पागल हो गए, शीश मांग रहे हैं, कुछ तो उठ करके भाग गए। एक एक करके 5 सिख ने अपना शीश भेंट किया। व्हाट वाज दैट? दैट वाज सरेंडरिंग ऑफ द माइंड, मीन्स कन्वर्टिंग अ ह्यूमन्स ईगो माइंड into Guru's mind, into your teacher's mind, into your Buddha's mind, into your Mahavira's mind. Then you can live life joyfully. What happens if we live our life? If we live our life with our own mind, we have their 5 thieves seated and holding us, our mind, our heart, and our body. By surrendering our head to Buddha or Guru Gobind Singh or Mahavira or any teacher, those 5 thieves, the anger, the lust, the greed, the attachment, and which is 5th one?
Calm, growth, love, more greed, more attachment, calm,
Ego.
lust, ego.
5th one is ego, अहंकार। तो अगर हम ये सरेंडर माइंड गुरु को दे दें तो हम
I just love this because also कि इसी के कारण डाउट आ रहा है, इसी के कारण फियर आ रहा है, and this is
yes,
why we suffer in job and in family.
yes,
What if I don't get that $1,000 client? What if
yes,
I fail in this deal? What
yes.
if he rejects? What if I fail in marketing? What if nobody likes my post?
If you follow this mind, Guru's mind, hmm, or one can say the pure mind, hmm, you will never lose anything in your life. You will win in your business. You will win in your dealings because the way of life will become. जब आप घर से निकलेंगे ना तो आपके मुंह से ये निकलेगा आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर काइंडनेस। जब आप घर ऑफिस से घर वापस आएंगे तो आप अपने आप से कहेंगे आई एम गोइंग टू होम विथ काइंडनेस फॉर काइंडनेस। So this will change the teacher's mind, the pure mind, the surrendered mind will change your total thought process and you will be most happy what you have with. You will say, I have enough. I don't need now more because you will know the essential nature of your life.
Yes. And it was actually, the phonetic also, like same phonology, same pronunciation, kindness and guidance.
Yes, yes.
Bhagwan ki guidance, divine guidance. Yes.
So
And I'm not good enough. And you also said I have enough.
no,
Contentment
all the
and
negativity,
confidence.
all the negativities of the mind will go away because your mind will be merged with teacher's mind, guru's mind. So then
Infinite intelligence.
your mind will not be a culprit for your life. So walk on the surrender, walk on the path of surrender, Guru Nanak Dev Ji in Guru Granth Sahib very beautifully says, if you want to play the game of life and love with me, ज्यों तो प्रेम खेलन का चाओ, सिर तर तली गली मेरी आओ. If you want to play the game of love and life with me, give me your head on your hand. अपना माइंड मुझे हाथ में रख के सौंप दो. सेल योर माइंड टू मी. और मेरे बताए फिर रास्ते पर चलो. डोंट थिंक अबाउट. सिर दीजे कान न कीजिए. व्हेन यू हैव गिवन मी योर हेड, then no public opinion, no your own mind will have bad effects on your life, on your body, on your heart, on your mind. Because then you will become part of Vishalta, oneness. So
No
then,
ego, no hurt.
yes,
No ego, no worry.
no worry. You
No
will,
ego, no sorrow.
yes, you will then live your life in this moment, in present moment. आज मैंने अभी ये कमाया है ना 2-4 हज़ार रुपए. वाओ, इट्स ओके, इट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे. तो ये सोच वर्क के प्रति, जितनी देर में 8 घंटे 7 घंटे भी काम कर रहा हूं, तो मेरे मन में ये रहेगा कि आई एम नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी, because my guru's mind will instruct me, you are working for all the others in your organization, you are working for the God. And in that sense, when you are doing your work, it will ultimately result in higher productivity and higher happiness in your life and in your organizational culture also. Because a smile will be always on your face. Because your mind, your own ego mind has disappeared. And when our own ego mind disappears, fearlessness comes, enters. Worries move away. All the stress move away. Stress आता भी है, तो the responsible is one who, not you. जिसका माइंड जिसको आपने दिया है, वो देखेगा, वो करेगा, वो हल निकालेगा, वो सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करेगा. तो आपकी रात की नींद भी खराब नहीं होगी.
No ego, no worry. No
Yes.
mind, no worry.
Yes.
एक मन गुरु को दिया, दूसरा है ना बाकी. मन मत खोए. Yes.
So walking on the path of surrender, आप जाके मंदिरों में जाते हैं, आप अपने गुरु के पास जाते हैं, आप गुरु में जाते, गुरुद्वारे में जाते हैं. क्या करते हैं आप अपना सिर निवाते हैं. यू bow down your body and you know what the guru wants. He says, don't bow your body towards me.
Yeah.
Bow your
Beautiful
mind.
meaning.
Bow your
Very
mind.
beautiful meaning. Bowing down your body, mind is giving your ego,
Yes.
giving your head away,
Yes.
giving your worry away, giving your stress away, giving all your planning away.
Yes. Yes.
Let the seed plan. Let
So
the
one
plan. This
who walks in mode of surrender and in harmony with the Guru's mind obtain the supreme status of life, and he only can play the game of life and love in his or her life.
Yes, giving away our head, worries.
Yes.
That is the way to live and play the game of life.
Yes.
Thank you so much. It was, as usual, enlightening. Joy man of India, happiness man of the world.
No, it's not. Nothing is mine. It's his wisdom.
तो ये
He
टॉपिक
wants.
कहाँ से आया वो बताओ आप अब ऑन अ लाइटर नोट.
टॉपिक देखिए ऐसा है कि मैं आई एम अ रेगुलर साधक ऑफ गुरबाणी. तो जो सुबह मेरे सामने बात आ जाती है, आज ये लाइन आ गई, ज्यों तो प्रेम खिलन का चाओ, सिर तर तली गली मेरी यार। कि तुम अगर इस जीवन को प्रेम का खेल समझ के खेलना चाहते हो तो अपना मन मुझे सौंप दो, अपना सिर मुझे सौंप। मैंने कहा फिर आज हम सर के साथ यही बात करेंगे कि हाउ टू प्ले द गेम ऑफ लाइफ।
Thank you, thank you, thank you. It is
थैंक यू।
actually a very big healing episode for me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, everyone.